Just for fun, do a little experiment with airflow. You have a shop vac, cyclone separator, roll of toilet paper, and a wood dowel. Okay, where is it? Some of it's here. Is it all coiled up inside the cyclone, or is it in the bucket? None in the bucket. There's some here in the cyclone. It's in the shop vac and then the hose. Very light material may bypass the cyclone and go directly into the shop vac. This is not a favorite roll of toilet paper. You can read a newspaper through that. That's why it's not a favorite. If there's a disruption in the flow, it gets balled up in here and shuts off the vacuum. This also proves if you have a bad roll of toilet paper, you'll do just about anything to get rid of it.